Hello guys, next topic. We will use sensor and output LED on off. Sensor high, output is on. Sensor low, output is off. Now no push button, this input side sensor. Now this diagram here, this diagram PNP sensor, proximity sensor. This sensor 3 pin, first pin 0 volt, second pin output, and third pin 24 volt DC. This DC operate sensor. Now this PLC connect to input side X0 in output, and this sensor active to 0 and 24 volt DC. Active to 0 volt SMPS 24 volt active this sensor, and output this X0, and SS port common 0 volt, and X0 is input sensor is high, output is high, this 24 volt input X0, so SS port 0, this circle is complete. And load same common this 0 volt, and Y0 load is 24 volt connected. NPN sensor normally 0 volt, and sensor is high, this voltage positive volt. Now this is sensor PNP NO 200 milliampere, and this 3 wire brown, blue, black. Brown plus positive 10 volt to 30 volt DC, and blue 0 volt, and black output. Now this wiring complete, now this program here. Now new page here, this new page here, and program this LD X0. LD normally open contact is on, output is on. This sensor and output OUT Y0. Sensor is on, LED is on. Sensor is off, LED is off. Now this compile program, this compile complete, and upload this PLC PC to PLC upload. Now upload PC to PLC. Okay. This upload successful. Now this virtual simulate, so online mode. This online mode. Now this sensor direct metal your range, this output is on. This metal is sensor is high, output is high. This sensor is low, output is low. This is proximity sensor. This mean directed metal. Now this metal direct, output LED is on, and this range over, and output is off. On, off, on, off. This circle. Thank you.